This is James Watson doing a little sight fishing today. I like to throw a drop shot. About the only time I ever throw a drop shot is 20 or 25 pound test on a bed. I'm looking for these bass. I'm just looking for a dark spot so that I can see if he moves around. If he moves around and comes right back, or if he stays locked on, what we call locked on a bed, and see if he's a catchable bass or not. When I'm bed fishing, I always like to keep a trick worm out, wacky rigged or Texas rigged, no weight, to throw around and keep us for cruisers, whether I see them or not. It's just a regular old trick worm, so it sinks a little bit and it makes it easier to twitch it fast, keep it coming along. It's a zoom. I like to put a swivel up above it. There's a bass on bed right there. Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. I like to put a swivel above it too because my line kinks or twists so bad. But as fast as I'm reeling it, the swivel don't matter.